Another important tip is when you remove this bar here, you want to make sure that you attach these bolts into the bar here so that they don't get misplaced. So when you're done removing these two bars, this is what it should look like. The bolts should be placed in their corresponding holes so that they're not misplaced. And now you have the slide that's open to fit the 20-ounce cap through here, so it should slide through there with no issue. We'll make adjustments to this here as well. We'll loosen these and these to allow for the cap to fit through and slide through properly. We'll need to also make adjustments to this here as well, and you'll be utilizing this handle right here to adjust the slide. Sorry about that. So you'll be using this handle here to adjust the slide, and that, when you do that, it'll adjust the entire width of the slide to accommodate for the 20-ounce cap. So when you're making adjustments here to these, you just want to ensure that the cap flows freely through the slide. So I'm almost done making these adjustments here, and it's just on the height. The width is already set in place. That's non-adjustable, unlike the bottom part over here, which I'll show you that portion next. But here, once you get this to where it flows freely, then you want to make sure that you adjust this portion of the slide so that the cap can be distributed as the cans go through. So now that I've made adjustments to the slide to allow the 20-ounce lid to fit in there, sorry about that. We also want to make some adjustments. We also want to make some adjustments to the height of the slide. So that would be this portion here. So you want to loosen the bottom first, and then that'll allow you to make the necessary adjustment to the top. You see, I can go up or down, but the bottom portion of this needs to be adjusted. So I want to allow maybe about 1/8 or just over 1/8 so that the cap can flow through here freely. As you can see, it's stuck right here because the bottom portion has the same adjustment down there. Okay, this is the bottom portion that I was talking about. So first we want to loosen the bottom, and then we want to make the necessary adjustments. So in this case, I'm going to raise it up, and as I do that, it'll allow for the cap to slide through. And I can also make a slight adjustment over here to widen the slide a little more. And so here we can see that it's hitting over here, so we just want to make an adjustment to allow for that 1/8 inch gap there, and then I'm going to widen the slide just a little bit more so that it flows freely through there with ease, because that'll allow it to be distributed properly when it comes down the slide.